So if you like Skylines, I think you will like this as well. So this is the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk from the Liberty Walk, and it is from the series called HWJ Imports. So without any further ado, let's cut it out. I think this is the second casting that is tuned version, second tuned casting that I'm unboxing on this channel. Okay, knife is stuck. Alright, so the base, we don't have anything, but we do have the rear exhaust details. Nice thing. Everything is simple, plain, small thing. Oh, this might look pink in color to you guys, but it is not. It is the, what do you see, sort of chameleon color. Like it changes from purple to, if I'm in the dark it looks purple, if I'm in the bright light it looks slightly pink, but it is not. It is somewhat of this color only, I think. Yeah, so now here it looks a bit dark, and again here it looks a light. Okay, so we have the nice livery going on here, the Liberty Walk badging, the Hot Wheels badging. We have the golden rims on the wheels. We have huge tall windshield and windows, black interiors, rear integrated spoiler, no rear details, same livery on the side. Front is pretty detailed, I'm amazed. Okay, let's do a quick roll test. Oh, this is very nice, rolls quick. Yeah, see, I like this casting. Okay, now just a second, I'll show you the magic. Now again it looks purple in color, right? Now it's back to pink. I don't know how they have pulled this off. It's a very great casting, slightly color changing casting. So first up, what we know about this car: it has nice rims, and it was started in last year. This casting was produced in last year, 2024, by Brian Zaho. A very nice name. Okay, this casting depicts the tuned version of the Vatrucato's modified Nissan Skyline, featuring a squished up and cartoonish proportions that we have seen in this one. Okay, it is based on the Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. I have unboxed that car as well, you can check it out. And this has OH 5-spoke wheels in, okay, that is a copper rim, not the golden rim. OH is open hole 5-spoke wheels, right? And they are pretty good wheels, and it is in pearl magenta. Yeah, that's not purple, it's a pearl magenta color that you have seen here, that you are seeing here. Pretty nice car, and the front is greatly detailed. I like it. I don't know why people don't like tuned cars, but they are pretty cool. I have it in the sky blue color from the last year's case, and that is pretty much it from this video. I hope you liked it. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't checked out the previous A case cars, do check them out. They are on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, spend wisely. Cutie Liberty Walk.